Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can make different pictures of same size in Microsoft Word. To begin with, open your Word, insert your pictures. First, you have to make your pictures a little smaller by clicking the picture and dragging it. Now I would like to make all pictures to be of the same size. On the top right corner you will see the aspect ratio of the picture. Just copy it and paste it on the other picture ratio. As you can see, now all the pictures are of same size. That's it. Thanks for watching guys.